In this video, you'll learn best scalping trading strategies that will help you make money on a crypto and Bitcoin with huge accuracy. That strategy will be based on a footprint, another indicator, volume profile, and accuracy really insane. Let's start. Major idea of this strategy it is that we have really huge size in a footprint or DOM that we can use as a powerful support resistance, and that size appears in a proper place. That's also important for us. Let's do this example as I told you. It is a signal that I sent into our free channel, Bigger Trading Scalping Academy, and the link to this channel will be in description. Join entirely for free. What happened during that time? In a footprint of FIL, someone bought huge and insane amount of coins. And have a look at this example. On FIL, 538,000 coins traded on FIL. On a spot market with average price 520. That means 500 multiplied on 520, it is nearly $2.5 million. It's really good for a spot market. And after that, this additional 100k also traded. Have a look. And after that, additional 25, 10, 20, 106. Altogether, 160,000 additional coins. That means nearly 4 million worth of USD coins traded. I know at this moment it looks a little bit complicated, but let's have a look on a bigger picture. Because especially if you trade with DOM and footprint first time, I know it's a little bit difficult. That's why in description to this video there would be a special lesson about what's DOM and what's footprint. Highly recommend you to watch if you just start in this area. Major idea of this strategy, it is when that size appears exactly at value area and point of control. Those of you that know about volume profile, you know that this stuff where the biggest volume trades, it calls point of control, and nearly such areas as you can see here, price quite often beautifully bounce up and down. Here we have this idea: if price at that area in a proper place show really huge and insane size, we take a trade, as I said. For example, like this one, price did this beautiful drop, and here price did fake breakdown of that insane size, and after that it did beautiful 1375% without any significant pullback. Some of you would say, okay, Yuri, it's really cool stuff, but tell me exactly how we can enter exactly a trade. Let's do this example on FIL. Let's open this stuff on TradingView. We can have this replay, and let's do this one. When you have such significant size and you see that price, what price did? Price did beautiful fake breakdown of that significant volume. That was exactly at 520. And what for us really important, that price should close any candle above that significant size, like it was here. Price close that significant candle. And what you do, you just take long trade at close. It is 30 minutes, like 30 minutes is quite a lot of time to do it. And you can set stop loss below this tail, and that's it. And you just keep this trade because possibility of a movement huge. And next really wise area for take profit, it is next significant value area, which was exactly here. And have a look how price exactly beautifully did this pump. I show to you this trade not because like it's so easy to show trades on a history. I show you this trade because it is a free signal that we shared with all community members, and all people that were in this channel exactly took this trade. That's not coincidence, it's real powerful strategy. At this moment, if you feel that it is valuable for you what we share and it will help you make money in the future, push the like button and subscribe to be updated in the future lessons about DOM footprint scalping strategies. Let's do briefly 2 additional examples that even far better and far more powerful than this one was. APE example. Before start American session, price did retest of this beautiful and significant volume area. And what happened at that time, my friend? Have a look what happened at that time. In a footprint appeared a really significant size. And again, this signal I shared entirely for free in our Telegram channel. APT 570,000 coins. It was a fake breakdown of a significant size. After that, additional 30,000 on one level. plus volume profile area. And guess in what direction price reached? Yes, price reached nearly 5% within 2 hours. And after that, let me show to you an example. It was exactly here on APT. Have a look on this significant volume area. Price exactly retested it exactly here, significant size, and price reached the next significant level. And here another insane volume entered, but into opposite direction. And here was pure movement, more than 5% without any decent pullback. How you would open a trade? Really simple. You see that price close at least 15 minutes candle above that significant size. What you do, even here, you take a trade. For you, it's enough to set stop loss below tail, which would be 0.9% or even closer, 0.77, because it's scalping. And take profit, it would be really enough to set nearly previous high. That's it. And risk reward 1 to 6, I think it's amazing. And second example on APT, here I wrote APE, it is APT. Another example on a spot market, here entered 156,000 coins. It is thousands, 156. That size appeared, my friend, exactly here, above this massive volume profile area, when price confirms that this volume area became really significant, because have a look how many times price bounced down from it, and at this moment price beautifully pumped into another value area. My friend, at this moment I ask you to push like and subscribe to this channel if you feel that it is really valuable for you and you gain something that will help you make money in the future. Also, I know that scalping by dominant footprint is difficult. I remember when I downloaded the platform at first time, and you see all these numbers. That's why when you study all these approaches, how it works, footprint, DOM, you need more knowledge. And at this moment here would be a playlist with all our lessons about DOM footprint, OrderFlow trading. Highly recommend you to start with first 10 lessons, and you will be better than 99% of people after watching these lessons, and they are entirely for free. Thank you.